Mi'kmaq First Nation word. It means river of the long tide. Established in '69, so it's our 50th anniversary this year. 238 square kilometers, 25 kilometers along the coast. Where do we aim to go this morning? The goal, the area we want to go is in this area, and it's called Blacklands Gully. The gully is the opening between this long dune and this long dune here. Okay, for those who've never put their finger in the mouth of a jellyfish, so if you want to put your finger, you don't have to go deep. Right here, and you just move your finger and you'll feel the mouth of a jellyfish right here.
Nothing. It does nothing, Sarah. Nothing. See?
No. This year. So what you have to look for is these long tentacles, the red tentacles. And when it touches the skin, it does burn. Right now it burns, okay? That delivers a little bit of poison. And it does hurt right now, but not much. Not enough for me to start crying. When you're ready to check in here, what do I have? Oh. Yeah, a little sand shrimp.
Shrimp. Look at it, Betty.
You got a shrimp.
Oh, I got.
What did you get? Let's see what she's got. A shrimp. A sand shrimp.
What do you have?
Look at the size of those crabs. Here's the lobster.
Quebecers, clams. He's a predator of clams. And on the side it looks like a lune, a moon. Je l'assois, ça fait une lune assis. And they start rubbing the tongue on the shell of the clam, rubbing, and they spit a little bit acid from their radula. And they drill a hole. This hole here, the little hole here, it's the moon snail. C'est la lunacie qui a creusé. That's called in English a sand collar, un collier de sable. And it is the moon snail, the way they lay their eggs, c'est la manière qu'ils pondent leurs œufs. This is grain of sand and moon snail eggs with a little bit of glue that holds the whole thing together. It looks like a donut. It's rubberish, caoutchouteux a little bit. So these are sand collars. They're all eggs from the moon snail. Oysters. Okay, are we allowed to pick these? No. And we have at least 3 that are alive. And there's more and more oysters in the park, we noticed.
Okay.
Clean it in the water, clean it.
What did you find, Jay?
Seaweed.
Oh, that's a big one.
Jason, go decorate it now when we look for seaweed.
Look at that. Do you want to touch it? Look at that. Cool, eh? Ange, you want to touch it? Sarah, look at how big this one is. Do you want to touch it? So,
Can I hold it?
yeah, you can hold it. Put your hands together.
But where's the
It's at the top.
Look, the sting us.
Yeah.
Look.
How you feeling there, Jay?
Staying with you. I cannot.
There we go. There you go.
I'm backing away.
And you can just feel its mouth right here.
That's his butt.